Hello 2020 user. Thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add the mod Angled Extended Stile to your cabinet. In your most recent catalog, go ahead and grab your either wall or base cabinet or tall cabinet, whichever you want to add this to. For this demonstration, I will add it to the wall cabinet. So you will go into the attributes of your wall cabinet. And in the add-ons tab, you'll go to wall modifications and then frame modifications. Scroll down the list until you see angled extended stile, and you click on that. Another window will appear. We'll ask you the length or width of your extended stile. So I will do 4 inches, and you hit apply and OK, and it should appear on there. Take a look. You can see the extended stile has been added on your cabinet. What I would do from there is go back into the attributes of that cabinet and add a note. So just go to the Notes tab, and I would type in the width of your extended stile and the angle that you want of the extended stile. And when you print out your report, then all that will be noted on there exactly as you want it. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you'd like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!